Hello friends, I'm Tunde Dugantsi, Hungarian gingerbread artist, and today I will share these XO cookies with you. These are part of my Valentine's Day cookie class that I teach in my Bowling Green, Kentucky studio very soon. So these cookies I use wet on wet technique mostly, and I will add some lace design and royal icing transfer roses to them. Making royal icing flowers is a great way to use your leftover icing, and having a nice stash of royal icing makes your decorating more fun. Because as you can see, when I knead these flowers, they are already done. They can be kept for years. They are basically plain sugar. If you don't have time to make these flowers, I have some for sale in my Etsy shop, but you really should because it's a lot of fun and it's really a great way to use up your icing. I will try to post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so please subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any of them. See you soon.